All of my brassicas, my kale, my broccoli, are all infested with this harlequin bug. I think I'm going to rip them all out. All the leaves are wilting, dying, and every leaf underneath is just covered with these bugs. I looked at solutions to this harlequin bug, and I kept coming up with hand picking the bugs off, putting them in a bucket of soapy water, to being on hands, getting rid of the eggs when they show up. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. That's not the way I want to garden. At this point, I'd rather enjoy the garden than fighting this problem all day, every day. I'm pulling it all out. It feels really weird doing this, because usually you want to keep all the stuff you grow and try to salvage it or save it. But sometimes the problem just gets ahead of you. This problem snuck up on me without me even seeing it. And by the time I noticed, it was too late. My first time growing collards. I didn't even get a chance to try it. It's gardening, I guess. That's all just Swiss chard and lettuce now. That's where the broccoli was, the big hole. And collard greens are over here. I still see a few of those harlequin bugs flying around, trying different things. I hope they don't attack anything else. I've heard they can attack tomatoes and peppers. Well, that's what I read today. Let's just hope, because that's the only thing that's left, that's not what they go to. It feels a little bit like I gave up, but that's not it at all. Sometimes this is gardening. I wanted to show everything that happens to me, successes and failures. I guess you'd have to call this an official reset. You know, it feels good in a way though, to come out here and not see that destruction and decay and infestation. I'm going to leave these spaces empty for now. My plan is to come back in a little bit, a few weeks, and plant for the fall. I was looking at my seed packets last night, and brassicas only take 50 to 60 days to mature, and they do better in cool weather anyway. By then, these pests may have run through their cycle and be gone by then. So I'm going to shoot for a fall harvest on brassicas. So I hope to still get some. I'm just going to adjust my plan of attack. And if this works, my plan of attack for future gardens. If there's a takeaway to this video, it's that sometimes gardening isn't about saving everything. It's about knowing when to start over, I guess. See how this turns out. I hope you got something out of this video. Some of you may have gone through the same thing. If so, how did you deal with it? I'd like to know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out the next video. I'll show some of my successes rather than my failures. I hope you come back. My name's Dennis. Take care.